Hey there, welcome back friends. Today we will try to understand the for each tag once again, and this time we will implement a true for each loop. So let's get started. Now first of all, we would require a complex object like a map, list or array list or things like that. To make things simple, we will go with a very simple array. So it would be an string array. Name of the arrays would be names, and let us initialize this. So it would be like new string, and the size of this array would be, for example, 3. So we will keep the size of the array very small to start with, and in here let us add in some values. So we will type in names, and at location 0 we will give my name maybe. Let me quickly add in my name. And now moving forward, let me copy this line and paste it couple of times. For position 1, let us add in yet another name. Name could be, for example, John. And for second position, we will give a yet another name like Nikita. Alright, so this looks good to me. Now moving forward, let us try to iterate over this array. Now the way is very simple. We will make use of the for each tag. Let me maximize this, and let me also hit couple of enters. Alright, now if we check, there are a couple of attributes in here, right? So the first attribute which we will use is items. Now what is the items? Item is nothing but this complex object whose name is names, right? So in order to read the information of a JSP variable, the way is very simple. We will take help of, again, JSP expression element. So let me make use of JSP expression element in here, and we need to add this in between pair of double quotes. So take a note of it, and in here we will type in names. Alright, so that's one thing. The second thing which we need is the name of the temporary variable. So we will give the name of this temporary variable as a name. So per iteration, for first iteration we will get the name as Chand, for second iteration we will get the name as John, and finally for the third and final iteration we will get the name as Nikita. So this name variable is our temporary variable. So in here finally let us try to display this name. Again, we will take help of our expression language, and our work should be done. And it would be good if I add in a BR tag real quick. Alright, let me run this program real quick. Alright, let us restart the web server. I guess there is some configuration related issue. Let me fix this real quick. Alright friends, I have fixed the issue. The issue was related to the context path setting. There was multiple context path with same name, so I have fixed the issue. And now moving forward, let us try to run this piece of code on our web server, and here is the output. Perfect. So our program is working properly, and we are able to read the complex object by taking help of for each tag. Perfect, this is good. So this is how the for each tag can be used using multiple ways, and this is good. Alright, so this is it for today's video, and I will catch you in the next video with some new topic.